to use the Pathfinder tool using basic shapes and uniting shapes to create one single shape. And I want to show you how to do that with letters. So first of all, I'm going to click and I'm going to just make a letter. So I'm going to use the letter R and I'm going to scale it. I'm going to single click on a single line of text. I'm going to make this letter nice and big. And then I'm going to copy and paste it and do a second letter. And let's just do the letter O. Okay, so you can change the font through the character palette. I'm going to do something bold. Okay, so now I have these two letters, and I want to make sure that they are outlines. So I'm going to select both of them, and I'm going to go Object, Create Outlines. Type, Create Outlines. Command-Shift-O. And so now they are vector objects. They are no longer a font. And I am going to overlap them. So you can kind of see when I select both of them where they have intersecting lines. And then I want to make sure that I have my Pathfinder tool open. And with the Pathfinder tool, we've already done Unite. So if we did Unite, it becomes one shape. But I want you to play around with some of these other shape modes and pathfinders and see how they interact with one another. And you can get some pretty interesting results. The pathfinders will break apart wherever there is an intersecting line. So if I break it apart and I take my white arrow, I now have individual pieces. Okay? But I'd like you to just play around with those until you get something that looks and feels kind of interesting. This will be a skill that you will use in your project for your assignment.